On a closed bolt mode, initial state, the nozzle is already in forward position. After trigger is being pressed, both nozzle and valve are energized. Nozzle is energized into forward direction to provide sealing force on the hop-up rubber. Then valve starts to open, and we can already see that BB is leaving the barrel. At this point, valve dwell timer expires and valve starts to close. After valve is closed, BB dwell timer is activated and gives time for BB to leave the barrel. At this point, BB dwell timer expires. Next, nozzle is magnetized into the rear direction. Nozzle begins to move rearward. And we can see at this point, nozzle already reaches full rear position. How fast nozzle will reach rear position is dependent on multiple factors, such as battery voltage under load, magazine spring force, and possibly any friction in the system. For this purpose, we have here extended nozzle dwell time to make sure that nozzle is fully retracted. After nozzle dwell timer expires, we have pause, which allows BB to be loaded inside the chamber. How long this pause is dependent on rate of fire setting. If the rate of fire is set higher, then this pause will be shorter. If the rate of fire is set to low, then this pause will be higher, therefore allowing BB more time to load inside the chamber. After that, nozzle is magnetized into forward direction, and nozzle dwell timer is activated. And we can see that the nozzle starts to move forward and loads the BB inside the hop-up. At this point, we can already see that the nozzle is in full forward position and BB is fully loaded inside the chamber. However, how fast the nozzle will move forward is dependent on multiple factors, such as battery voltage under load, BB insertion force, magazine spring force, and PWM setting. It is good to have extended nozzle dwell time so that we are sure that the nozzle is truly in forward position and ready for the next cycle.